Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make some Dollar Tree Snowman snowflakes. So you know those plastic snowflakes that they have at Dollar Tree? They're cute as is, they're really pretty for your tree, but I'm going to step them up a notch and make them even cuter. You're going to need some of those, some of these styrofoam balls, these are just the small ones from Dollar Tree, some Aleene's glitter snow, some orange paint, and some black paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is take those styrofoam balls and I'm going to cut it in half. So I'm going to make 2 ornaments in this project. So I'm just going to take a scraper knife and I just cut each one of the styrofoam balls in half. Then I'm going to hot glue the half of the styrofoam ball right to the center of the snowflake. And I'm going to do that on both. So one styrofoam ball will make 2 ornaments. And that just goes in the center. It covers up that center piece of the snowflake. Then next I'm going to take some of that glitter snow by Aleene's and I'm going to cover the whole styrofoam ball with it. And I'm just going to spread it on like I'm spreading cream cheese on a bagel. And once that was dry, I took some black acrylic paint and I did a couple of dots for a snowman's eyes, a couple of dots for his mouth, and then I added a carrot nose with the orange acrylic paint, and now you have yourself a little snowman snowflake. This is a super easy project. You could do this with the kids as long as you do the hot gluing part, or you could even use Elmer's glue to attach them. That would work too. It would just probably take a little longer to dry, but I think these are absolutely adorable. I love the fact that they can hang out all season long. They're not just Christmas. And how cute did these turn out? Super cute, super easy, and super inexpensive. All of my 3 favorite things when doing DIYs. Plus, being able to stay out all winter long and not just a Christmas project. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to spread the chaos.